हो गया, आपको खुश होना चाहिए. Okay guys, now we are going to do which paragraph contains the following information, and this question type is based on scanning. The question type, which is type B. Type B means questions and answers, they do not follow any sequence. Questions and their answers are in random order. So you should try to do them at the end. At the end means at the end of that passage. Now see questions 1 to 5. They have given them here deliberately so that when students start with these 5 questions, they will take 10 to 12 minutes and then students will be confused and all that stuff. Okay, what do we have to do for this question? We need to look for specific information, and in order to look for that specific information, we need scanning. One is reading, one is skimming, one is scanning. When you are scanning, you are not reading, you're searching. You are looking for a word, you're looking for an idea, okay? And when you are actually skimming, you are reading few lines, skipping few lines. Again, reading few lines and skipping few lines. Skimming is kind of reading. And scanning is not reading, it's only searching for a word. And when you find the word, then you have to read carefully. So the third one is reading carefully. Question number 1. Location of first cinema. Very simple. Lumiere brothers and the location of the first cinema. They told us very, very clearly. And you know why A? Because you are already familiar. So, can you see location means you need to look for address. And they have given address. What is that? 14 Boulevard des Capucines in Paris. That is. And paragraph number? A. So for question number 1, answer is? Very good. So in front of question number 1, you can write A. And on your answer sheet as well, you will write A there. Okay. Now we go on. Question number 2. How cinema came to focus on stories. Cinema came to focus on stories. Now go back, look for stories. Cinema and stories. Stories. Don't guess, look for something. How cinema came to focus on stories. Now train story is not a story, it was a movement only. It's not a story. Paragraph I. Right? See that they mentioned, paragraph I, have become primarily a documentary form. Right? And after that, if you read on, have developed like television as a strange noisy transfer of music. But what happened was that it became overwhelming medium for telling stories. So the word story and stories, that was your clue word. Answer is paragraph I. Well done. So you need to go back. Question number 2, answer is I. Question number 3. Speed with which cinema has changed. Now they will tell us in a paragraph that cinema has transformed within last 20 years, last 30 years, last 50 years. Speed with which cinema has changed. So just go back and look for speed. Paragraph J. Those who are saying F, they need to reconsider. Paragraph J. And it has all happened so quickly. Now what is so quickly? Speed. So you need to look for the words like this. So quickly, speed. Speed 50 kilometers per hour if they're talking about a vehicle and all that. It has all happened so quickly, almost unbelievably. It is more, there are some years they mentioned and all that. Okay. So correct answer for this question is? Alright, well done. Let's go on. Okay, so J will be the right answer. Question number 4. How cinema teaches us about other cultures. How cinema teaches us about other cultures. You may have read anything about other cultures. Paragraph E for elephant. Let's go back. Right, paragraph E for elephant. And what are the other cultures that they have mentioned here? Yes. American, yeah, the last line, American imagery, the cars, the cities and all that. So that is all about other cultures. American life and values around the globe. So life and values, that is culture. For culture, they use the word life and values around the globe. So paragraph E will be the right answer here. Okay, so question number 4, answer is E. Question number 5, attraction of actors in films. A paragraph where they talk about film stars, right? Actors, actresses, and all that. Paragraph G. Let's go back. Paragraph G. The star. Yeah. The star was another natural consequence of cinema. The cinema star was effectively born in 1910, and then the film, super real, and all that stuff. So they use the word here. So what will be the answer? Yeah, paragraph G for question number 5. For actors, they use the word star. You know, we say now film stars and all that. Okay. That's it. All clear? Yeah, it was very simple, but if you do it at the end, then you'll be more convenient, you'll be comfortable, and you'll be familiar with the passage. So this familiarity is important. If you start with it, it will be difficult, okay?